What's up mga kabays? It's your resident biter Really Bites. Welcome back to my channel. So as promised, this is the second part of my previous video. This is where we're doing the curry house, Coco Ichibanya Kitchen's pork curry omelet.
Omelette. Ah,
And it's just 400 pesos flat. JC has tried this. This is his favorite. But
Yeah.
I told him to do another variant earlier, but he
Mas
didn't.
wala vegetables.
Wala yung vegetable na gusto niyang itry.
Mhm.
So he just ordered the same for both of us. So this one is 40 pesos. I'm surprised. 40 or 80?
40. For sure 40 yan. Kasi 80 eh. Parang 980 lahat. Tapos for sure, this is 40 pesos each.
So yeah, mura pala. Kasi usually
Mura,
pag
mahal.
hindi pag gantong drinks sa gantong place, mahal siya.
Kapag taga-ano lang ito, 30 pesos or something. Mahal.
Pero pag 40 okay lang. Sa resort namin siguro same.
Same lang.
Oh, mura sa resort namin.
Oh, sorry, binuksan ko na pala siya.
Okay lang.
Okay.
Anong problema din?
Baka gusto mo sa bahay. Yeah, let's dig in.
Yeah,
I'm
let's
famished na.
Yeah, let's dig in. It smells so good, by the way. I just need to review this kasi
It's our first time, so
yeah, highly recommended siya by JC. And there's the omelette part, and then under it is the rice. Oh my god, I think it's Japanese rice.
yeah, it's
It's Japanese rice.
Drench it with the curry.
Yeah, oh my god, it smells so good. It kind of feels like satay. Ah, so good.
May ganito rin sa Marugami udon eh. But without the egg.
Ang sarap ng omelette niya, tsaka ng Japanese
Diba?
rice. Oh.
Fresh at para medyo watery pa siya.
Sobrang perfect. Mm. Ang sarap ng ano niya, curry. Medyo spicy siya. Pero not too much lang.
Pina-standardize ko lang yung spice. Kasi may may level siya.
Standard is parang average. Ilang levels ba meron?
Nasa gitna to.
Sa kanya, niya mo na. Girl. I'm pretending. May chika ako. So yung basic nila, walang spice.
Yeah. Pero I like it yung medyo may moderate spice lang. Somewhere in between.
The first time we tried this was at Capitolio Estancia. The same thing.
Tapos, yung plate nila mas malaki pa dito.
Oh.
Capitolio, Australia.
Villa Estrella.
Australia na nabanggit ko doon.
May Villa Estrella kasi, pero I don't know where. Pero ang sarap.
Diba?
Sobrang sarap niya.
Sana may vegetable eh, pero naman na.
Na-try mo yung may vegetable last time? Ito yung na-try mo talaga. Bakit di mo tinry yung chicken?
Matigil na kagabi.
Totoo naman.
Baka ma-umay tayo doon.
Well, sa chicken, di naman ako nauumay sa chicken.
Sarap siya, no?
Sobrang sarap niya talaga.
Tapos yung rice niya, very moist.
Yan. Saktong moisture lang.
Japanese
saktong,
rice.
Saktong texture.
Hindi naman siya blurred.
Hindi siya mushy. Yung rice.
Hindi na siya blurred.
Kasi nga, nasa Mitsukoshi kami. So, most stores here, most stalls are Japanese. Pero may mga Filipino stores rin. We saw earlier Potato Corner. Oh my god, I can eat this every day, promise.
Diba?
I think it's super healthy.
Sana ba may air sa Flora?
Uy! No.
Ah, hindi. Wala silang Coke Zero. Okay lang to regular.
Okay lang yan. Minsan lang naman tayo mag-coke.
Eh sa bahay nagko-Coke.
Minsan lang tayo mag-coke, pero kagabi nag-coke tayo. Large yung ininom ko.
Oo nga. But that was zero.
Ah, zero yun?
Oo, zero yun.
Ako, charot-charot lang yung zero nila.
Di ba? Sa serving,
Ang
akala mo konti lang.
Ang dami niya.
Pero siksik yan.
Surprise! Nasa ilalim yung rice. Surprise. So I think I'm gonna rate this na. I think I believe
Oh, go.
this would probably be
First time yan.
first time ko to. So I think this is 9.5 over 10.
Ah,
Yeah, not bad. 9.5 over 10. Yung Coke, hindi ko na-rate.
rate mo na kunwari first time mo go.
Hindi kasi malamig. So siguro magandang points yun na malamig yung Coke.
Yeah, para nakakaano siya.
Hindi na kailangan ng ice for me lang. So ayun.
I'm so happy, 9.5 over 10. It's so high.
Check natin ilang minutes na. Okay, naka 6 minutes na ako. Pwede na tayo magkapera. And then we're gonna do beer papas pa.
Sige,
Kaya pa ba?
Para matry mo.
Really? Same exactly basta pa siya. Yun.
I don't know. Kasi yung braid papas na nakita ko sa Taiwan, maliliit lang yung cream puff. Dito, okay, ang laki. Or baka may variation din na gano'n, hindi lang
Yun nakita.
available.
Siguro isa lang.
Hindi, meron yan.
Siguro isa lang yung itatry natin. Huwag naman siguro yung... Tig-isa pa tayo. Masyadong malaki yun.
Kaya mo yun.
So if you haven't checked Basement 1 sa Michikoshi here sa
Yan
BGC,
o.
just go sa Basement 1 and then check
Hindi. May malalaki pala.
check out all the stores and all the restaurants kasi sobrang dami dito pagpipilian. And then check out Curry House, Coco Ichibanya Kitchen. Nasa may bandang dulo siya. And it's highly recommended by JC. Nagustuhan ko din naman. So, if you haven't yet, please do click like, drop your comments, subscribe to my channel, and then follow all of my social media. Lahat po ng links nasa baba lang. And stay tuned for our next video. We're gonna do beer papas next for dessert. Ayun lang, bye! Any last words, JC?
Sarap. Ano yun?
Sarap.
Sobrang Latina.
Sobrang sarap. Inglesera ka ba halata?
Hmm?
Inglesera ka ba halata?
Ano to eh?
Halata eh.